I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Jetta headlight bulb. First, open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll typically find a circular dust cap that needs to be removed. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it straight off. This grants you access to the bulb itself, making the next steps much easier. Now that you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb's base. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Next, you'll need to release the bulb itself. Depending on your model, this might be a metal retaining spring or a plastic holder you twist about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Once loose, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing your new bulb, remember to only handle it by its plastic base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, ensuring any alignment tabs or grooves are properly seated. Then, secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting the bulb holder clockwise until it locks. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Now, replace the circular dust cap by aligning it and twisting it clockwise until it's fully sealed. This protects the bulb from moisture and debris. Finally, turn on your car's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly and providing proper illumination. You've successfully changed your VW Jetta headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.